the rich sound of a really fine Yamaha U1. I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com. Perhaps the most famous, popular upright piano of all time, the Yamaha U1. You'll find them in almost every piano store in the country. Now, most of them come in from importers in Japan, and they refurbish them and they go overseas and then they do other work on them. This one didn't come from that. Those are sometimes referred to as gray market pianos. I have an article about that you could read in the description. This is made for the American market, gently played, looks gorgeous. What a sound. It really's got a great sound. I'm going to have two selections for you, starting with the beginning of Mozart's Sonata in C minor. Such a big, rich sound, and the action is smooth. Everything, it plays like a new U1. It's amazing. So I'm going to show the other side of this piano with some lyrical playing of Chopin's B-flat minor nocturne. Just the first section, then skipping to the end. This would make a fabulous practice instrument for someone, or just a nice piano to play in your home. You have a smaller room that you don't need the big grand piano to fill with sound. This U1, very satisfying upright piano to play. Again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks again for joining me.